CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.9 Identify common features and tools of the Linux Client Desktop Operating System. Text editors. A text editor is a tool used to create, view, and modify plain text files within an operating system. In a Linux environment, text editors play an important role in everyday tasks, as they are commonly used to edit configuration files, write scripts, and make quick changes directly from the command line. Because many system settings in Linux are stored in text-based files, having the ability to open and modify those files is essential for system management and troubleshooting. Unlike word processors, text editors do not include formatting features such as fonts, colors, or styling. Instead, they focus strictly on plain text, making them ideal for working with system files that require precise, unformatted input. One of the most commonly used text editors in Linux is Nano. Nano is a simple, user-friendly, terminal-based text editor that allows you to create, open, edit, and save files directly from the command line. It is designed to be easy to use, making it a great option for beginners who are just getting started with Linux. To open a file using Nano, you can run a command like nano notes.txt. If the file exists, it will open for editing. If it does not exist, Nano will create a new file with that name. Once inside Nano, you can type and edit text just like you would in a basic editor, making it easy to create or modify files directly from the command line. As you work, Nano provides helpful guidance by displaying available commands at the bottom of the screen. These shortcuts show you how to perform common actions such as saving your work, searching within the file, or exiting the editor. This simple layout, along with the on-screen command reminders, makes Nano a very approachable and beginner-friendly text editor. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.